Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve a very interesting math Olympiad question, that is x to the power y minus y to the power x is equal to 17. Find the value of x and y. Before we start, just one humble request. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's solve this interesting problem. As we know, there is a formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now let us write this equation as x to the power y divided by 2 whole square, so that here 2 and 2 can cancel out and the total expression will become x to the power y. Similarly, this expression we can write it as y to the power x divided by 2 whole square is equal to 17. Now let us consider x to the power y by 2 is equal to a and y to the power x by 2 is equal to b. Hence we can rewrite this equation as a square minus b square is equal to 17. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiply with a minus b. Let us apply this from formula here. Then we can write this as a plus b multiply with a minus b is equal to 17. Now we can say these are the two numbers whose multiplication is 17. As you know, 17 is a prime number, then only two options possible. Either a plus b is equal to 1, which is multiply with a minus b equal to 17, then the multiplication is 17, or a plus b is equal to 17 and which is multiply with a minus b is equal to 1 and the multiplication will be 17. Hence we can write this as a plus b is equal to 17 and a minus b is equal to 1. Adding these two, plus b minus b will cancel out, then 2a is equal to 18 and hence a is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Now as we have considered a plus b is equal to 17 and we know that the value of a is 9, then 9 plus b is equal to 17 and we can say b is equal to 17 minus 9, that is equal to 8. We have already assumed the value of a is x to the power y by 2 and the value of v is y to the power x by 2. Let's put this value in place of a and b. So we can write it as x to the power y divided by 2 is equal to 9 and y to the power x divided by 2 is equal to 8. So now putting square on both the sides, x to the power y by 2 whole square is equal to 9 square. So we can write it as x to the power y is equal to 81. Similarly, here putting square on both the sides, y to the power x by 2 whole square is equal to 8 square, then we can write it as y to the power x is equal to 64. As we can see from these two equations, here x is there and the power is y, here base is y and power is x. So we have to convert these two numbers in such a way that the x and y properties for both these equations should satisfy. So let us try to solve this and put the number 81 and 64 in this form. So we can write 81 as 3 to the power 2, that is 9 whole square. So we can write it as 3 to the power 4. So we can write x to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 4. Similarly, here we can write 64 as 2 to the power 6 and we can also write this as 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 3, and hence we can write this as y to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 2 is 4 to the power 3. So now we have two equations where x to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 4 and y to the power x is equal to 4 to the power 3. So from these two equations we can clearly say that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Hence this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.